Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to do half cut crease look. Apply the yellow shade or any transition shade you prefer above your natural crease. I'm using this shade from Gemshells X Morphe palette. Now blend the eyeshadow. Now we are applying this medium shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. But just try to keep it lower than the previous color and to the outer thirds. Now blend the eyeshadow with very light hand. Now I'm blending with the same transition color. Now cut the crease, but just to the inner half of the eye. You can create the size of the crease as per your preference. Here I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal inside Porcelain. Now we are applying little darker shade here with concealer brush. यो लाइनिङ चाहिँ अलि शार्प हुनुपर्ने भएकोले पातलो ब्रश युज गर्दा इजी हुन्छ. So I'm using concealer brush here. You can totally skip this part, but I prefer to do this because यो लाइनिङ जति डार्क भयो त्यति नै हाम्रो crease deep and sharp देखिन्छ. We are applying the concealer again to create the sharp crease. Let me tell you guys, यो part चाहिँ हामीले यतिकै छोड्नु हुँदैन. You gotta blend this end like this. Now blend the concealer. Do not apply too much of concealer or else it'll give that patchy finishing. Now apply the shimmer shadow. Here I'm using this shimmer from Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. I'm gonna use the same medium color here again to blend. Now blend with the transition color. Here I'm blending with same light color as transition. Now apply the eyeliner. I'm gonna do it real quick and come back again with eyelashes. And here we're done. Wait, you can also add some white liners and glitters to give that extra look. Here I'm using glitter palette from Milani. And now we're done.